What is that? Tell us about it.
This is our new flagship tuner. This is by far an industry first. This is what we refer to as the Touchscreen Xtreme. And Touchscreen Xtreme is the first wireless Bluetooth tuner ever released in the industry. And it's probably the single most advanced tuning technology available in the market today. This product is designed on its initial release to support all Ford vehicles, and really it's very similar to our handhelds. It's a derivative or a hybrid of a handheld device, but it adds in a full instrumentation for the vehicle. It adds in a very high level of expanded data logging capability. The Bluetooth wireless feature allows it to be mounted anywhere with no wires whatsoever, and communicates to a dongle key that plugs right into the OBD port, and it even has a 3-axis accelerometer built into it, so you can get realistic performance data in terms of horsepower, torque, quarter mile, 0 to 60, 0 to 100. It even does braking forces, and it data logs all of that information in a simple, easy-to-use program. You can actually download the information off of the tuner, and then we have free emulation software that comes with all of our tuning products that allows you to read the data log information on a PC computer and even map all the parameters over the top of each other. And that's great for custom tuning dealers, because it allows the custom tuning dealer an interface to really study and analyze everything the vehicle is doing to really perfect their scientific process of creating the perfect tune for the car. So it's really an absolute necessity. The weak link with older technology and a lot of handheld devices typically is memory and speed. So sampling rates can be a little slower. With the Touchscreen Xtreme, it has an extreme amount of memory. It samples data extremely quickly, multiple times in a second, so it really allows you to get a lot of accurate feedback from the vehicle itself. It has a host of other features. Aside from tuning the vehicle and instrumenting the vehicle wirelessly and the multi-axis accelerometer, it has multiple analog inputs. It actually has 4 different 0 to 5 volt analog inputs. Okay. So it can monitor multiple EGT sensors. It can monitor multiple wideband O2 sensors. It can monitor a wide variety of other aftermarket sensors, such as the transmission temperature. Okay. Any 0 to 5 volt signal, it can monitor. The other key benefit or feature is it has a 12 volt output, which enables the end user to run nitrous pump or nitrous drivers.
So it can act as a signal device.
Exactly. It's basically sending a signal, and the beautiful thing is you can command that 12 volt signal on and off based on EGT temperature in a diesel truck application. If you're running water methanol injection, you can command nitrous solenoids based on RPM, throttle position. Any number of readable parameters can be used to command external signals. So it really bridges the gap between a lot of add-on electronic hardware that the normal consumer would have to buy. This allows you everything all in one.
Now, as far as data acquisition is concerned, are each one of these married to a particular vehicle?
Each one does become married to the vehicle. Okay. Each device is set up with a series of unlocks for warranty scenarios, different things like that. Our devices allow the end user to store the stock file onto the permanent memory. So when they set the vehicle back to stock, it's fully transparent.
Sure.
It's not noticeable. They can't see that the vehicle's ever been modified. But a lot of times they'll go in for warranty issues, and the dealer will reflash the vehicle with a different PCM strategy.
So that happens all the time.
So it happens all the time. It's in fact more common now than ever before. So it allows the end user to go through that warranty scenario multiple times, and regardless of what Ford does to the vehicle, they always have a device that they can continue to use over and over. However, once you do tune the vehicle, it does become married to that vehicle until the vehicle is returned to stock. So, and the beauty thing about SCT products is that if you have a Mustang today and you bought it because you want to do some custom tuning, you're going to put a supercharger on there, but then 2 years down the road the family scenario
You trade it.
changes. Yeah, you need a sedan, so you're going to go to a Taurus SHO instead. You set the vehicle back to stock, you sell the vehicle through whatever normal aftermarket channel or trade-in. You buy a new vehicle, and the beauty is the product supports the new vehicle too, because we're always first to market with Ford product development. We see a lot of people will graduate from a handheld device, and maybe they're moving up to a full instrumentation system through either the touchscreen Xtreme or even through the LiveWire.